my supervisor gets on the radio. You need to get to this location. Boise PD has 2 officers down. Boise PD their SWAT team was looking for a violent felon who had been on the run. He'd shot some people, and Boise PD was doing a yard-to-yard search. And at the end of their incident, they ended up having a gun battle with this guy. They shoot and kill the bad guy, but the bad guy also shot 2 of their officers, and 1 of their canines got killed. This was the Kevin Holtree incident. So my sergeant saying, "Hey, you guys," I think he was just on the radio calling all the county SWAT guys. They need to get down there. So then, computer, of course, we have our mapping system on there, but of course it wasn't working real good because I'm coming down bogus base, and so I'm like asking for the address, and I think it was Matt Clifford at the time. He was on the radio, who's now the sheriff, and he put out the address, and told my wife, I need you to put the address into your phone and navigate for me. So she's navigating for me. So, we're on the gas, on the brakes, on the gas, on the brakes. She's telling me, turn left, turn right. We're coming through downtown Boise, right? I pull up to the incident, slam it in park, and I jump out, pop open the back of the Tahoe, grab my SWAT gear, and I go run up there. But I noticed there was smoke coming from my brakes. And the incident was pretty much over when I got there. I ended up helping and giving some of the guys rides to, the hotel where they go for their interviews and all that kind of stuff. Did what I could there, and I asked my wife. I was like, "How?" I was just kind of looking over at her, and she was pretty calm.